Before going any further, I want to mention something important because your interface, it might be different with mine, or you couldn't find any shortcut or tool I used. Although I will mention any shortcut I used or tool, but here on the title bar we have Microsoft Search. The shortcut is Alt or Option Q, which I prefer to call it Global Search. Any command tool I used and you cannot find anywhere else, or it is taking your time, you could find here. But actually it is more than only search commands. If I click on that or press Alt or Option Q, we have some recent and you could type. For instance, I will type font. We have several sections here. Actions, which it is commands here. Action, font, font type, font size, font settings, font color. Anything it is related to the font. Find in document, actually it is search your document and find any words which includes the font. Even you could search any font in your files and documents or recent documents, or you could even search on online Bing search engine. Let's check different. For example, font settings, I could click on that. There it is, font settings. Or allow me to search font again. If I click the find in document, the navigation panel will open, and in the search results we have any found all fonts in this document. You could simply click on any of those, as you see they are highlighted. Click simply to search it. You could even navigate it. Previous one, next one. And of course we have more search and options, which I will mention later on. And we have totally 29 results on the font. So any command you cannot find, you could search on Microsoft Search. Let's say smart, insert the smart art, smart lookup, smart art style, which of course I didn't select any smart art, so it is disabled here. And you could search other sections. No, I want to insert the smart art. Let's say hierarchy, this one, okay. And there it is.